Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jito. Wanted to do a quick update. Covered this yesterday, so I'll quickly update you on what I said yesterday. Hopefully, most of you know, but I don't know that. Maybe you did, maybe this is your first time watching, so then welcome. But that's what we'll do. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about what's possible from here. Jito itself. Look, right now, I mean, I've said this before, but right now it really feels like at least Jito is following Bitcoin, all right? And you can also see that the correlation between Jito and Bitcoin is actually moving up quite a bit. On the last 30 days, it's probably still pretty low, but it's correlating more and more, as opposed to Jito being correlated to Solana. That's way less the case. I mean, Solana has been quite strong, and Jito, I mean, you can see the difference in charts, has really not been. While Jito has been consolidating and Bitcoin has also been consolidating. So what I said yesterday is that Jito right now, it seems like the market structure is kind of neutralizing. So it's becoming neutral in that we used to have quite a lot of bearish momentum, and it seems to me that bearish momentum has now kind of gone, all right? And obviously it helps that Solana was bullish, and it helps that Bitcoin right now is finding some support at least. But Jito itself, you can also see the open interest. I mean, we had a bit of a drop with the spike down yesterday. That's normal. That's a bit of a market flush. But overall, it's pretty neutral. And even if we look, if we had not had that flush, we would still be at the same levels. So in my eyes, Jito is neutral. So what I said yesterday is that, you know, we're in this range between 2.9 and 2.3/2.25, and we hit the top. I see no reason why we would break out above that top. So now it's most likely that we'll just retest the bottom around 2.3. So far that has been correct. But what I said then is that after hitting the bottom, I would expect us to maybe consolidate down here a bit, but eventually break back above 2.6 and rally back up to 2.9 to eventually, hopefully, break above 2.9 and to rally up to 3.3 and higher, all right? That's the ultimate goal. I mean, the ultimate goal is breaking out of this range and then getting some sort of a rally. That's what we all want, and that's also what I think is possible. But for now, I mean, we have to be realistic, and we have to kind of think, I mean, is it most likely that Jito will now rally back up? I would say yes, all right? I will still say that I think it's most likely because it's in line with the current market structure. So that's why I'm telling you, I think it's most likely that Jito will break above 2.5, 2.6, which is kind of the level in the middle of this consolidation, and will get back up to 2.8 and 2.9. Now, whether we will break out of that level, I don't know. It depends on the open interest. The open interest would need to grow quite a bit, and right now it's growing, but so far it's just growing up to the same levels it was at yesterday. So that's not enough to break out, because it didn't break out yesterday either. So yeah, that's what we'll have to see. I mean, this is what I think is most likely. I have to say though, I mean, if for some reason Jito is not able to break above that level at 2.5 and 2.6 and Bitcoin starts dropping again, which is a possibility, then there's a chance that we'll still have a bearish breakout and drop down to $2. Not what I expect, but it is a realistic possibility, especially when Bitcoin starts being bearish, because we have seen that the correlation between Jito and Bitcoin has increased. So if Bitcoin starts dropping down quite severely, Jito will follow. All right, those are my thoughts. That's what I want to tell you. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description and the pinned comment. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.